Imagine a blockchain that isn't just another coin, but a system built to take on the biggest tech giants in the world and maybe even replace them. That's what ICP is aiming for. When most people think of blockchain, they think of Bitcoin or Ethereum, maybe a few tokens you've heard of on the news. But ICP is different. It's not just a digital money, it's designed to run real world infrastructure. And today, we're going to break down what ICP really is, why it matters, and how its value is connected to actual usage in cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and the digital economy at large. And by the end of this discussion, you'll see why some analysts view ICP as more than just a cryptocurrency. It's potentially a platform that could redefine the way digital systems operate. Let's start with where ICP plays its game, cloud infrastructure. Think about the tech giants, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud. These platforms alone are worth trillions of dollars. ICP is not just trying to compete, it's designed to replace parts of this massive ecosystem, even if it only grabs a tiny fraction of the global compute market. Its valuation dynamics change dramatically. Analysts suggest that even a 0.1% market share could put ICP among the top 10 assets by value. 1% share could place it in the top 3 to 5. A 5 or 10% share of the total cloud market, we're talking multi-trillion dollar territory. This isn't hype. It's based on scale. ICP's architecture is built to handle real workloads, which means it's not dependent on speculative trading or short-term hype cycles. Next, consider its token distribution. Many blockchain networks struggle with issues like large early invest allocations or gradual vesting schedules that flood the market with tokens. ICP avoids these problems because its supply structure is clean, which means the token's value is less likely to face artificial downward pressure from sudden unlocks. This strengthens the long-term price integrity as it makes it more a stable asset in theory. And as you know, in the last several months, the unlocks are fully completed. But ICP isn't just about tokens. It's about replacing infrastructure. It's a full tech stack on-chain. We're talking 100% fully on-chain. We're talking databases that run directly on blockchain. No bridges, no dependencies. APIs and application logic. DNS service. Artificial intelligence inference capabilities. The target market here is enormous, far beyond what most layer 1 blockchains can realistically address and do. It's aiming at industries that generate, we're talking hundreds of billions, if not trillions, in economic activity. And the value in ICP comes from actual usage. ICP uses a system called cycle burn. Every time someone runs an application, cycles are consumed and burned. More activity means more ICP gets burned, which could exert upward pressure on token value over time. And developer interest is strong in data-heavy and AI applications, and production systems are live today. So it's not just theory. People are already building on the ICP ecosystem as we speak. Now, here's a challenge. Despite its potential, and it's enormous, ICP does face skepticism. Many investors are wary because it's not as well known as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Its real-world applications are complex and technical. Understanding its real value requires thinking about cloud infrastructure adoption, not just tokenomics. This makes it harder for the average investor to grasp what ICP is truly capable of. Let's break this down further. Think of ICP like a digital city. Okay, most blockchains are just single buildings. One contract here, one transaction there. ICP, went to build the entire city, the roads, the power grids, the data centers, and governance systems all integrated. When you scale a city, it has real value. People use it, businesses operate inside it. That's exactly what ICP aimed for to build the digital world. And analysts have tried to estimate fair value based on adoption scenarios. And obviously, below 20 could indicate undervaluation, not financial advice. 40 to 80 reflects current reasonable range based on current usage, even before the potential mass adoption of caffeine AI. 100, 300 might suggest moderate adoption over the next possibly anywhere between, say, 12 to 24, 36 months. 500 to 1200 could be meaningful cloud market penetration. And $2,000 plus aligns with ICP realizing its full long-term vision. These ranges here aren't just hype. They're grounded in the industries ICP is designed to disrupt. We're talking cloud computing, which is going to be worth trillions by 2030, artificial intelligence, enterprise infrastructure. The real takeaway here is that ICP is not a gamble in a traditional sense. Its value is tied to actual systems, adoption, and network usage. It's fundamental, and its potential comes from replacing the existing tech stacks, not creating buzz around a shiny token. The key moment to understand is ICP isn't just riding the blockchain wave, it's built to capture a share of the real world technology markets that are already worth trillions as we speak. Even a fraction of that market could shift how we measure value in crypto. The vision is massive, an execution layer for the digital economy itself. Imagine artificial intelligence applications, APIs, and databases running entirely on chain. Systems you already rely on every day, now decentralized, more transparent, more secure, and programmable. So, to wrap it up, the big picture is clear. ICP is a blockchain built for practical use, not speculation. Its architecture targets real markets. Its tokenomics avoid unnecessary sell pressure, and its value comes from activity, not hype. Understanding ICP requires shifting perspective from thinking about coins as digital money to thinking about networks as digital infrastructure. That insight alone could change how you view the potential of certain blockchains in the long run. Everything comes together when you see it from this angle. Stay curious and let your journey continue. Everything we explore today isn't just about the numbers or charts, it's a glimpse into how actual digital systems could evolve. Remember, the choices developers and businesses make now are shaping tomorrow's infrastructure. If this video inspired you like it has to me, give it a like and share it with others. Drop a comment below. I want to hear your thoughts and experiences. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next adventure. And remember, keep exploring, keep questioning, and stay decentralized. And I will see you on the internet computer. Peace out.